Hi everyone, this is Jamie from Campkin's RV. Last weekend we had our 50th anniversary open house and it was a blast, except for one thing. The rain. Although we still went ahead and we moved everything inside, we want to give you the chance to enjoy the beautiful weather this weekend at our open house after party. This is a first for us, but we're going to have an after party this Saturday, May 6th from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And here's what it's going to include. Door crasher deals on RV parts, special RV pricing, manufacturer discounts, exclusive secret giveaway, and the spin to win wheel if you purchase a trailer, family game zone, kids scavenger hunt, kids coloring contest, a photo contest, treats from Timmies, and a whole lot more, and all of that of course is free. All of our trailer doors will be open and available for you to walk through at your leisure. And when you're ready to speak to an RV advisor, you can simply text us at 905-655-8613 and mention the trailer you are in and we'll come meet you, or just come inside and speak to our receptionist. Either way, come on out and enjoy the sunshine this Saturday at our first ever open house after party.